Hey friends, if the F5 refresh button is not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to check for the function lock, and I'll explain what a function lock is. So in older keyboards, we had a switch, a button for function lock. These days we have a function key. So one is the list of function keys from F1 to F12, and if you look at the last column of your keyboard, you'll notice that there is a key named Fn between the control key and the Windows key in the same row as the spacebar key. Okay, so you have to press the Fn key along with one of the function keys to use that function key, and at times it also works as a function lock. So press it once and it will disable all the functions, press it twice and then it will enable all the functions. So that's how it works. The second solution is to restart Windows Explorer. Search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open Task Manager. Now wait for the list to load, then right click on Windows Explorer and select Restart. The third solution is to run an SFC scan. How do we do this? Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator to open the elevated command prompt window. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The last solution is to update keyboard drivers. Now how will we do this? Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Device Manager window. Expand the list of keyboard drivers, right click on each keyboard driver and update them one by one. Okay, update driver and search automatically for drivers. This will help you fix the issue, but if it doesn't, then let us know in the comment section of this video so that we could investigate further. We request you to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.